How Divorce661 can help you get divorced fast in Los Angeles. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're looking to get divorced in Los Angeles County and want to do it quickly, efficiently, and without the drama of hiring attorneys or going to court, you're in the right place. At Divorce661, we specialize in helping couples navigate the divorce process from start to finish in as little time as legally possible, and we'll explain exactly how we do that. California law requires a 6-month waiting period before a divorce can be finalized, but that doesn't mean your case has to take that long to prepare. Most delays happen because people try to do it themselves or use online services that don't understand Los Angeles County's specific court rules. This leads to mistakes, rejections, and endless back and forth with the court. At Divorce661, we eliminate those delays by getting everything done right the first time, so your case is ready for final judgment as soon as the 6-month clock runs out. We start by filing your case electronically the same day you hire us. From there, we take care of serving your spouse, completing and exchanging financial disclosures, and drafting a detailed marital settlement agreement that meets court standards. We then prepare and submit your judgment package, so everything is done as early as possible, without you ever needing to step foot in court. One of our recent clients came to us after sitting on their case for over a year with no progress. Within a week, we reviewed their file, fixed the paperwork, and submitted the judgment for approval. It was finalized less than 30 days later. We work exclusively with amicable divorces in California, and our process is built to move fast. Everything is handled remotely, so you don't have to take time off work or meet in person. We use court-approved e-filing systems, digital signature tools, and secure document delivery to get your divorce finalized quickly and professionally. If you're ready to move on with your life and don't want to waste time with a drawn-out divorce, let us help. Visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll give you a flat-rate quote, explain how the process works, and help you complete your divorce fast, affordable, and 100% done for you.